Hello and welcome to this unboxing of Nerdwax. You guys have had a lot of questions about Nerdwax and some of the products I've bought in the past, and I placed another order. This is my third order from them. I know I've had that question a lot. Do I still like it after all these months? And I do. I love them, the glass cleaner. And I ordered a couple other things today. We'll see if we like them. We're going to unbox them. My daughter is here with me. She has no idea of anything in the box. But I am going to let her pick something out from the box for her birthday. A part of her birthday present. Obviously, this is not her main birthday present. But it's just a little fun side gift.
Yeah.
All right. And you want to cut this open?
No, because I'm terrible with boxes.
Okay. So dangerous, right? Okay, here we go. Cutting open. Very excited. I do love... And I did buy some for my husband. He loves it. He's got the taco and he's got the DS9. Do you want to open it?
All right.
There you go.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
Okay.
That almost hit the camera.
So make sure there's nothing extra in there. All right.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to start with that one. She doesn't know what's in
start
here.
with this one. All right. So I'm going to guess piece of pepperoni.
Now, this is the one that I picked out because I thought you would like this one. But this does not have to be the one you pick.
Oh, no, wait. Now that I see it clear, it's a strawberry. Oh, my gosh. That looks like that would get caught on something.
That is a little disappointing. So just so you can see what she's talking about, there is just this kind of long stem.
It's
well,
cute,
if that's
though.
yeah,
Cute.
I mean, it's just going to get rolled up into your pocket. Let's look. Oh, and the other side is sliced open.
Oh, my gosh.
That just makes me want strawberries. Very cool. All right, so why don't you clean your glass? Just clean one side because we got more products.
All right.
Clean one side of your glasses.
So-
See if you like the size of it for cleaning.
Can I press it on with my fingerprint, or will that ruin it?
Oh, no, go ahead. Put a fingerprint on it.
All right, so I'm gonna press my thumb on
Okay,
there.
let's move that. Can you see it?
I don't know.
I don't see it.
It's in the light,
Yeah,
but it would be definitely hard to see.
All right. Well, we'll let you know if it comes off. How about that? It is hard to see. All right, but see how you like the size of this. That's always key, I think, is it? Because I feel that you have the sugar cookie, the Christmas sugar cookie, and I do think that's a
Yes.
little small for cleaning. It's very
Yes.
cute. It's like a little Christmas tree, but it is small for cleaning. How do you like cleaning that one? And did it get off the thumbprint?
All right, so I'm gonna look in the light that we have above here. It looks like it came off
Okay.
already.
And surprisingly, your glasses were pretty clean to start with, so that's kind of
yes,
cool.
because I had previously cleaned them with the sugar cookie. I have it in my pocket.
Oh, let's take a look at the
All
sugar
right.
cookie. The sugar cookie.
This one's kind of dirty though.
Okay, yes. So I don't believe. Have you ever washed this?
No.
No. So she's never washed it. Let me see. It's June 1st. She got this at Christmas, obviously, and it has been in her pocket or in her school bag every single day since then. And I kind of feel like maybe I shouldn't be handling it. It's kind of gross, I'm sure. Just always being back and forth to school.
It still does clean my glasses though, which I'm very impressed with.
It's bigger.
It
than I
lasts a long
remember.
time.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. All right, here, put that away. I feel like I
right.
need to wash my hands. Maybe I need a hazmat suit. All right, so the strawberry is her choice number one. She can pick that if she wants. All right, why don't you open up the next one? This is the one I kind of picked for me, but we'll see if you like it. Oh, wait. What is this in here? I don't even remember what
Wait, no.
Oh,
Does anyone...
they
does
gave it away by the way they packaged it. All right, take it out. Take it
Oh
out.
no! But X-Files is a very popular series from 90s. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
She's just making me feel old now. I watched it the first time round. I watched it the first time round.
All right. So it's
But we
a
are watching them
mixtape.
together now, so
Oh my!
it is a VHS tape. It says the X-Files. Let me see. Can we read what it says underneath? Someone's recital.
Chinkies.
Someone's recital from 1987 used to be on here, and they recorded X-Files over it.
Wow.
All right, and that looks really cool. Flip it over. What's the back look like?
What? There's a back?
I'm sure.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, that's what the bottom of a VHS tape looks like. If
You're
it didn't-
old.
If it didn't have the creases in it, it would. I would think there was a VHS tape sitting on my desk here. All right, so there you go. There's the X-Files. You can choose
right.
between Strawberry and X-Files. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know what this is. So open this up. I don't remember what that is.
Really?
Yep,
Oh.
I have no idea what that is. And I just want to say,
Your pants are on fire.
I did, Oh, this one's mine. I forgot about this one.
Oh, this one's yours?
This one's mine for sure. You can't have this one.
Oh, I know exactly why you like that one. So it's the book Pride and Prejudice.
And it looks like a book, so I'm going to do this one. So there's a front cover and a back cover. And you can open the book up to chapter 1.
Oh my god!
It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife.
Oh my gosh,
One of the silliest lines and greatest lines. It's one of my favorite books, of course. They do have a lot of books now, and I don't remember what book it was. After I ordered this, they came out with some new books, and I was thinking I would prefer that one. But I don't remember what it is now, but I do. Pride and Prejudice is top 3 books all time.
Question
for me.
Do they have Harry Potter?
I would think not, because they would have to pay for that a little bit more. Actually, they probably, Pride and Prejudice is probably in the public domain. They probably don't need to pay anyone for Pride and Prejudice. So, but Harry Potter they would have to pay for, and maybe someday they will. Or maybe, well, I bet you they do have Harry Potter, but not as a book. Because I have the Millennium Falcon one, Dad has the DS9. So there's probably Harry Potter ones.
Yeah.
But not the
I believe
book.
that we saw like a, or was that Pear? Maybe that was Pear with
Pear
the
eyewear, yeah.
Maybe that was Pear with the Ravenclaw.
And I do want to say all of these I paid for myself. I chose to pay for them. I wear glasses. Everybody in my house wears glasses. I am not associated with Nerdwax or Jinkies or whatever these companies are called. I paid out of pocket for these, and I do love them, and I do like to share them with you.
All right, so we've got some accessories in here.
Yes. So let me see what I have here. So this is magic drops. You put, supposedly it's concentrated. You only need to put 1 drop on your glasses. And it's supposed to clean it. And did it come with a cloth? It did. And a secret bonus cloth. I think my husband probably would appreciate this one. Nice and simple. Black and white. And then there's the magic drops. And then I think you put it in here. But you can put anything in here. I thought this might be nice for traveling this summer. This summer it's got a clip on it. And, I mean, you could put change in there, chapstick, or I think it's designed for your magic drops to clip them to your bag, your purse, your backpack. And there's room in there to fit. This now, she's very curious about this. Very pretty color. Very pretty color. This is...
That holds your cloths.
It holds your cloths, and then you can hook them. So it holds it. Let's see how well it works. Do it single first. So it does pull off. But so we'll double it up here, and it has a nice clip here.
I think that's only if you can't get off, though, right?
Well, yes. I did have to pull it very hard to get it out, but it did work to get it off without opening it. So I'm going to fold this in half and see. Actually, I'm going to fold it into quarters here. I'm going to fold it twice and see if having the extra layers helps. Well, there you go. It broke right away.
Oh.
So, well, I think that's fixable. And then that
Yes.
shows that this isn't going to come off when it's folded more. So, and this is completely fixable. But I'm a little disappointed that it did break like that. So, but that's fixable.
I have metal tools that can
Oh, yes. She's like a jewelry designer.
Yes,
So
I
she'll
make
fix
bracelets
that for
and
me.
earrings, so.
She'll fix that for me. And this is something, if you want, you can have for your backpack or your purse. And if not, I will use it.
Yeah, you can use it because I typically just shove stuff in my pocket, and if I don't have pockets, I have a purse.
All right.
Typically.
We won't use the magic drops today, but look for another video where I get that out. I'm going to wait because all of our glasses are very clean today. I'm going to wait till, you know, maybe a gross day. We'll try the magic drops to see if they can cut through the grossness. All right. Well, thank you for joining us. I do hope you get some of the books. They have some great ones. And if you are a book lover, you'll always have at least the first page of some of your favorite books with you. And I do think if you go on Facebook, Nerdwax, each week you can recommend a new shape. Like
Really?
if somebody said, hey, do a strawberry, every week they pick like a winner and they do their design. I think I have to look into
So
that.
like they could do Taylor Swift.
They can't do anything that they have to pay for the right to do it. So they could do Taylor Swift if they made a deal with Taylor Swift. If not, then no, they won't. But I know you would like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, she's a Swiftie.
I'm a big folklore fan.
All right, well, thank you for tuning in. Be sure that if you like this video, please like, follow, comment, because it does support my goal of offering free, high-quality reading videos and spelling videos for struggling readers here on YouTube. And if you have any questions about that or any of my unboxings, please be sure to let me know. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Have a good day.